Which lecture is this? Phonics. What do you mean by phonics? Sounds of alphabets. What do you mean by phonics? Sounds of alphabets. Today we are going to learn about different sounds. As I already explained, letter name and the sound is different to each other. What's the letter name? J. And the sound is J, 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 J. What's the letter name? J. And you have to jiggle like a jelly. J, 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 J. Letter name is V and the sound is V, 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 V. Letter name is W and its sound is also V, V, V. Are you confused in the sound of V and W? Okay. When you pronounce the sound of V, you have to bite your lips like me. V, V. And when you pronounce the sound of W, you have to round your lips. V, V. I think I cleared your doubt. Letter name is X and the sound is K and X sound is coming together. Let's try how to make the word J. What's the sound of J? J. Let's try to blend it. What we are did here? We are trying to do blending. Let's try with me. J. It's a long sound of E. E is a vowel or consonant? Vowel. It's a long sound of E. It's a double vowel sound. What's the sound of E? E. J, E, P, G. Let's blend another one. J, A, M, jam. If you are confused in the sound of M, at the time of blending, you can pronounce it M. Let's blend once again. J, A, M, jam. Let's try to last one. J. What's the sound of E? A, L, gel, Y, gel, Y. It's a not blending word? No, it's a blending word. See how. Y sound is Y, but when the Y is coming in the last position, its sound converted into E. It's have a one rule. Its name is high, shy and toughy Y. If I put the I here, let's blend once again. J, A, L, E, jelly. It's a blending word, but spelling is wrong. That's why we have to follow the one rule here. The rule name is I, shy and toughy Y. I is feeling shyness when it coming in the last position. That time you have to use Y. Let's blend once again. J, A, L, E, jelly. What I taught? When the Y is coming in the last position in the place of I, its sound converted into E sound. Understood everyone? Okay. Letter name is V and the sound is V. V, and van. V. Letter name is W. Its sound is also V. Let's try to. It's a one big word. Winter, I think. Let's try to segment here. When we are said winter, what type of sound are you able to hear? Let's segment it. V, E, N, T. What's the sound of ER? ER is a sound family. ER, ER is a sound family. Its sound is Winter. Last one is X and the sound is O. O is a single or consonant, single vowel or consonant. It's a single vowel. X, ox. X is in the last position. It will be okay at the time of making word. Next, ox. Again, X is coming in the last position. Fox. So we are see here ki how to do blend and how to do segment. As well as I learned one sound or one rule as well. What's the rule? I, shy and Tuffy Y. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you so much.